Manish Vyas. He is academic head at Mount Litera Z School Indore. He is into this field since last 18 years. So we welcome him to guide us on how to make maths fun for elementary kids. So, sir, could you tell us at what age do you think child should start doing maths?
Thank you very much. Very first, I would like to thank you all to call me here. See, as I am talking about the mathematics, so mathematics is not all about the calculations, but it is about the logics and many things. So what I think is in elementary state in the age of 4 when a student start a study, when a student used to start to learn the language, we can start mathematics and generally it starts with.
Okay, so and does a child require the formal training of maths in the initial years of his age? For example, say if he is at say age 5, so how we can do that?
That formal training is the problem, ma'am. It is creating the problem in understanding mathematics. And exactly it is that formal training is just making the student fearful with maths. Exactly. There is no need of formal training. What I think is exactly the mathematics should must be taught like a fun. When the student started it in the early age, we need not to start with the formal training. Formal training must start in the age of uh, 7 or 8. What I think personally.
Okay, so with that, I would like to know how can we spark curiosity among the kids for maths?
That's very easy, man. We are just started at home. The in family, whenever the mother is just making chapati or we are just talking about chocolates. If suppose we are having one chocolate that Cadbury might have you seen, Cadbury is just a best example of fractions. It used to give the concept of fraction in the mind of a child. When we are talking about the Cadbury or any of the chocolate, it is having some parts, and that one chocolate is there. One chocolate is having some 8 parts are there, so it is 1/8. That one part is 1/8, and the two part definitely 2/8. So 1/4 it will become. So in that way, we should start to make them learn the things. So it will be quite better and
Uh,
interesting to.
so here, I think these are few of the activities where a child can learn maths from our daily activities. What a mother does, and we can involve the child with the mother. So, do you think that picture books help in the initial learnings?
Yes, picture books help in understanding the exactly the study part of mathematics that we are talking about the numbers. Okay, when we are just making the concept of number, at the time when child knows the number, he don't know what is one. He know one, but he don't know the abstract part of one. That is the number one, number two. So picture book used to help to understand the child the abstract form of mathematics with pictorial form of mathematics. So that's really helpful for the child in the initial years.
And if child goes for a field trip, does that help? And does this museum in India's help and to build an interest in the child?
Yes, definitely. India, if we are talking about exactly, if you know about the Chennai, in Chennai, India just we within 10 years, as I think, before 10 years, we have started one mathematics laboratory there, Ramanujan's Museum of Mathematics. It is the name. It is by the name of the great Indian mathematician, if you know, Srinivas Ramanujan, well-known name, the man who knew infinity. He was just a child of in class 7th, and he asked a question related to infinity in his class. And the teacher, like us, he scolded. Teacher scolded the child that what is this? What are you talking about? No number can be divided by zero. Quite, and just he scolded that the child was sitting quietly. He was the child Ramanujan, and it is the first museum. Then only if we are talking about India, so there are many science centers in MP, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. There is one science center. I visited that many times, and I have seen few of the galleries are having some concept of mathematics. See, field trip, if we are talking about, so exactly there is, if we'll see everywhere the concepts of mathematics are being used. If suppose we are just talking about the amount, then it is included mathematics. If suppose we are talking about the management of a student, we are taking lunch, we are doing anything, we are making patterns, we are making a circle for taking lunch, we are just going in a row, we are just having, nowadays you can see in corona we need to stay at a particular distance, so that is also very helpful. So everywhere if field trip, definitely it depends upon us, the elders. It is the responsibility of elders. How can we make, how can we connect the child with mathematics or any other subject rather? So definitely it is helpful.
Yes. So does our environment teach us some mathematical concepts? So if so, if you could share any examples there in your mind.
Definitely.
Yep.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Exactly, that is really, you asked a very good question.
Thank you.
Mathematics is only subject what is called a beautiful subject. Do you know that?
Yes.
Mathematics is only subject what is it is you charging ka dekhiye. It is called as the beautiful subject. Why it is? Because see, everywhere mathematics is there. Everywhere, in the sense, if you will, you are talking about the flowers, you can see the flowers are having the different kind of patterns. These patterns are giving us the concept of mathematics. Might have you heard about the golden ratio?
Yes.
When the ratio and ratio of sum, ratio of any individual and ratio of the sum are equal, it is called the golden ratio. Golden ratio is everywhere you can see, everywhere in the nature. Might have you seen the spider? It is just making that patterns. These are also mathematical patterns. If we are talking about the bees, bees are also making the mathematical patterns. I have seen one message on the Engineers Day. There was a picture of the bird. The bird was there with the their offsprings. She was there in the nest. It was written, although it she has not taken the formal training of engineering, then only salute, heads off to these on the Engineers Day. So that is just like the same. Everywhere you can see the mathematical patterns are there. Nature, in nature, if suppose we are just talking about a small plant, see that as the plant grow, its length is growing. The length of a plant is the best concept of real number. That we can teach in the just 9th or 10th class standard, the real number concept. It is just the length of a plant. So everywhere we can connect the nature, and everywhere in nature the mathematics is there. Although mathematics is only man-made subject. See, just like physics, if we are talking about chemistry, if we are talking about biology rather, these are the natural subject. Okay, these are just made by God. But mathematics is only the subject which is man-made. Then only it is maximum mathematics is there in the nature, and it is correlated with nature. Each and every phenomena of nature is related to mathematics. That is just the beauty of mathematics, man.
Okay. Like it's like very nice. I could even picturize the things as you were using the terms. I was picturizing them and sensing out where maths is being used. Okay. Could you suggest me a few maths games which we can, which every child should play for a better understanding of the subject? Because there are many kids who still fear mathematics. So,
Definitely.
to make it more creative, if you could suggest something.
I would give an example. Exactly, it is just the date of July. There was the birthday of my one of my relative. He was a child of 3 or 4 year old child, and my wife told me she used to tell me always that he is having a lot of fear with the studies. He don't want to study. He's a naughty child and that kind of things. And uh, it was his birthday. And we just were in an evening. She just called me. आज birthday पे चलना है हमको. मैंने चलिए it's okay. तो she told me कि we should see some gift. मैंने कहा okay. I'll take snake and ladder. It will help the child to understand the numbers, but will not give him today. Will give him tomorrow. So I told why? Manga again will visit the place tomorrow, and I will try to connect him with the snake and ladder. I'll try to do that. Let us see. Let us understand. We just visited next day at the place, and exactly the child he was just sitting in a noon, and I just introduced the game in front of him. I have just made him learn one time. I just tried to make him win once. He won the first. Then after he took interest in that, you won't believe, ma'am, after 1 week, his mother called me and she told me, thank you very much, uncle. I told, why, what happened? So she told, uncle, he started to talk about the counting. He started to talk about numbers. So there
What
are
was
many.
the age of this child?
Pardon?
What was the age of this child?
The age was 3.5 years age, I think. 4 years. He completed his fourth year. And the child is very naughty. He was not ready to go there in the school, and he was just doing that all kind of things. But then only he connected very well. So, ma'am, any of the game, there are nowadays we can see many of the mathematical games rather. But then only the games related to the business, the games related to the that snake and ladder, Ludo, rather, these all kind of games are very helpful to connect with the mathematics, and definitely the student used to learn a lot. Exactly, we the parent are become over ambitious nowadays. We want that our child very first day he should become the Ramanujan. So it is not the first day. Let him learn slowly. Let him learn slowly.
So,
He will
yes,
learn.
as you have come to the parents, I would like to know what are the role of parents or say teachers when a child, say 5 to 10 years, doesn't find maths to be interesting. So, how can a parent or teacher boost off or build in the interest in the child?
See, that is the important thing. What that is really a great question. What you asked, and that is just the problem of each and every parent and each and every child, rather.
Yes.
Excuse me. So that is really a hello. Yes, am I audible now?
Yeah, perfect.
So, as we are just talking, exactly as I told, parents have become over ambitious nowadays. That's why we are creating that kind of atmosphere that student become fearful with any of the subject studies, and especially about the maths. We need not. We need not. We need not to take extra attention of anything. As we need to just start slowly, as I told, don't be over ambitious. Don't try to introduce the abstract form of mathematics in the early age. As new education policy might have you got the new education policy. In that, it is also introduced that the abstract form of mathematics must be introduced after 6 years. After 6 years, they introduce the abstract form of mathematics to a child. So, very important thing is, very first, we need not to be panic. We need not to think over that a student is not learning maths. Exactly, he is learning maths. He is getting the things. Parent need to connect the things with mathematics. Parent need to realize the student. Parent need to make him think logically. See, this is mathematics. Logic is mathematics. Parent need to give him responsibility. Suppose we are just going anywhere, parent need to give him uh, the we can give the wallet rather. Parents should give the wallet to the child.
I got it.
Please take care of the amount. I am just driving the car. I used to do the same whenever in my with us, whenever the children used to go with us, I used to tell them very fast. See, we'll have to go to the petrol pump. So we'll have to take 38 liters of petrol, and the cost of petrol is 81 rupees. So please take out the money, what money will give. So the children used to see the meter over the petrol pump, and they used to say, "Arey, uncle, see, it is there. The amount is there. We need not to calculate." So I have told, if it is wrong, then he used to, okay, I'll check it. Okay, you check. Then it's okay. We used to come out from petrol pump, and after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, he used to tell us, okay, it was correct. So I told him, nahi, 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 abhi count karo, jaldi count karo. No, don't do that, beta. We can take amount back from the petrol pump. Don't worry. We are having the bill. Please take the bill and take your time. Take your time. Take half an hour. Take one day rather. Tell me tomorrow morning that yes, now it's not the issue. We can just have the okay, uncle. It was okay. So I saw that, ma'am, I forgot many times. Then only the child used to come to me, uncle, that bill was correct. I checked it. Okay, you checked it. Just show me. So that kind of practice parents should start. So the child definitely he will start, and whenever in class again the same kind of activities will take place, he will do earlier, and then he will show to his teacher, see ma'am, I did that. And when ma'am, definitely if ma'am will appreciate, the things will start, the things will take place, and he will become a better mathematician rather.
So this is the one example that you shared. Could you share more other ways to teach children math apart from the books, as you said, from the petrol pump counting and the field trip and all? So apart from these, are there more ways where we can teach child maths apart from the books?
Definitely, ma'am. As you know, the interior designing, this is quite correlated with mathematics. Interior designing is nothing but just the best use of resources or best use of the space. Okay, so why don't we include our children in the interior designing of our home? Why don't we include? We must include. See, it's a very simple example. We are just having a plant of money plant. We are having a money plant, a huge money plant at our home. I never did any arrangement of the money plant. I used to give that work to the children. Please do that. Where will it go? You just think about where will it go. And if it will go there, then what is the arrangement to stay there? What arrangement you did for that? Please
To
do
give the
the
support.
arrangement before. They used to do the arrangement. They used to make the some ropes there. They used to make some things are there, and they are doing better ways. Rather, they used to make the patterns. They used to make the patterns, ma'am. It was a day I have given them the work. भतीजे हैं, तो मैंने उनको वर्क दिया था. दोनों भतीजियां हैं छोटी छोटी, साथ में एक बच्चा था. तीनों को मैंने काम दिया. आई हैव टोल्ड देम, प्लीज ये मनी प्लांट को शेप दो तुम. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शेप विल यू गिव? And again in evening I came back and they just told me, uncle, we did the job. We did the job. So I told, what you did? So you come here, please come here. They just took me with them, and just over the window, they make it like a temple. So they told that kind of shape. Where have you saw the shape? So they told that, see, this is just this we made like a temple, uncle. It is like a
Uh,
temple. It is just
you mean to say that kids got to learn uh, to reason mathematically, like answer the questions mathematically on observations, on presentations? And also, like, say, how can a child learn to connect mathematics, its ideas, and its application? How can maths help us to have analytical thinking? If you could share any examples with us.
Definitely, ma'am. Exactly, mathematics is the subject of logic only.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Mathematics is the subject where the student may be better in critical thinking. They can think analytically. How? I'm just giving few example. Might have you seen some games of that connecting the shapes and making an aeroplane, making a different kind of building and making that kind of things. See, these kind of games used to make the student to think critically. Exactly, if they are having just uh, less number of objects and they will have to correct and they will have to just make the better shape, they are having very less number of objects. They'll have to manage all such things. They are having time. Exactly, might have you seen the time is also there written in that particular paper with the game plan. And the children rather, whenever they are two, so they used to compare the timing. They used to compare the timing. One used to tell that, oh uncle, I have just finished that job in 1 hour. The another used to say that I won the match, I finished it in 56 minutes. So what they are doing is they are just learning the time management. They are learning the importance of 4 minutes. See, in 4 minutes, if one can win, then definitely they
This way,
understand.
they are developing their math literacy, right?
Definitely,
And
definitely.
again, they're playing, so it's a friendly manner. They're enjoying it, and it's no more a typical way of
Yes,
learning math. And so also, like, how can we connect maths and language? Is there any literature that could inspire kids to do math? Like we have discussed about the field, games, environment. So, do we have any literature now to, where we can, the kids can get the inspiration, connections?
definitely, definitely. Exactly, ma'am. If we are just talking about the literature, so I should come on the formal training. Again, when the student used to complete his 6 years at least, then after they need to go towards the books, school books. And apart from school books, if we are talking about the other books, then we are having many kind of literature, comics, etc. These are the things where they can see the uses of mathematics. Nowadays, we can see many puzzle books are there. They can read the puzzles. They can just think critically. They can complete the puzzles, and they may make better mathematical thinking. So the puzzles books are very important, and comics are also important. They are just playing the role that used to connect the language with literature. So that is definitely very useful. And exactly, if we are just taking a look when we are having our education policy, new education policy, so one concept of that education policy is to create connect the student with the abstract form of mathematics. That is abstract form in the sense the same what you are saying, the mathematical connection with the language. That is very important, and that definitely abstract form, as it is abstract form, so that start in the school class. And that's why that before that, what I think personally is, before that the student must finish that all games and that all, so that the part abstract part will become easy for him. Otherwise
Okay,
it
so
used problems.
nowadays, some kids spend a lot of time on screen for unproductive stuff. So can we anyhow make it productive by learning the maths concept? Please guide us.
Definitely, ma'am. Nowadays, exactly, there are two parts of mathematics. Why have you seen? If we are talking about digital things, so on the digital things, mathematics definitely first in mathematics, like many of the things available in digital market. First in maths is also one of the good platform where the students can learn mathematics fast and with fun. So that kind of very many platforms are there on digitally. But I don't prefer that digital portion, especially for a child below than 8 year. They must not use digital things there. So they may have that kind of games in market. We are having a lot of games. Rather, we can, as I told, the chocolates, similar many kind of examples are there at home. Suppose you are giving chapati, you are serving the chapati. You can just make 1/4, half of the chapati, and the student definitely child will
That's
use.
really very nice, very nice. Thank you. And yes, you have given us life examples. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time. And I'm sure many of us got their answers, which they have still not asked, but still they have the answers with them. And like also, if in the last we have just few minutes left, if you could just tell us like how can we make a child, on writing, differentiate between 1-4 and 4-1?
That's very easy. 1/4 and 4/1 is very easy. We can take the example of chapati. We can take the example of chocolate. We can take any of the example. So that will become very easy. Suppose we are having a chocolate and we have taken fourth part of that, so it will be 1/4. Uh, it was a chocolate and you just received one part of that, so it is 1/4. And suppose all the four parts are collected and you only are taking